Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start the GNIT session for the chapter number 1, that is solid states. So here the MCQ only we are going to see. The theoretical portion already we have finished in the board section. Now the only MCQ portion we are going to see. So let's get begin. Question number 1, which is on the screen of you, that is, you can see that a solid has a structure in which capital W atoms are located at the corners of a cubic lattice. W is located at the corners of the cubic lattice O. O atom at the center. W is at the corners, whereas O at the center of the edges, and sodium atom at center of the cubic. So what would be the formula of the compound? When we were in the board section at that time, when this topic of formula of compound I have explained with their example of illustration of textbook. So at that time I have said you that this topic is very much important. Okay. So the four options what they have given, that is NaWO2, then NaWO3, then Na2WO3, and NaWO4. So once again the question is very clear. W atom solid structure is that W atom are located at the corner of the cubic lattice. O atom center of the edges of sodium atom at the center of the cubic. So the formula of the compound we need to find. So for the same, the option number B, that is NaWO3, is the correct option. NaWO3 is the correct option. How? Cubic lattice they have said. So based on that you can say that W atom, which is located at the corner of the cubic lattice. So for the same, उनके calculation के लिए W is equal to 1/8 multiplied by 8 because of the cubic lattice, and once again at the corners. So there are 8 corners. Okay. So and 1/8 portion is there. So 8 cut 1 would be the answer. So W1. Then sodium atom, it would be 1, you can say. So Na is 1, W is 1, NaW, that is fixed. Then for oxygen atom, at the center of the edges of, and sodium atom at the center of cubic it is. Okay. So for the same edges of the center, O atom, the 12 is there, and which is multiplied by 1/4. See here, O atom at the center of the edges. So because of that, you can say for the calculation of O atom, 12 multiplied by 1/4. So 4 3s are 12, it would be 3. So number of O atom, it is 3. So from that, you can say that Na1W1O3. The option number B, NaWO3, is the correct answer for this. Okay. Next question, question number 2. If the anions capital A form hexagonal closest packing HCP, cations capital C occupy only 2 by third of its octahedral void of it. Not completely octahedral void, but 2 by third of its octahedral void. Then the general formula of a compound is, once again the question is of the topic of the formula of the compound, the finding out the formula of the compound. So anion A is a HCP structure and cation C only occupy 2 by third of its octahedral void. That much they have said. And a formula of compound we have to give. There are four options what they have given, that is Ca, Ca2, C2O3 and C3A2. In your mind you can click the answer by yourself, okay, and just check the solution part then whether it is correct or not, okay, from your side what you are imagining. So here C2A3, that is option C, is the correct answer. Capital A, that is the hexagonal closest packing. So from that directly you can say that there are 6 number of atom for A, for capital A specifically. The total effective octahedral void would be 6 only, up to the number of atom. जितने number of atom होंगे उतने ही octahedral void होंगे, पर पूरे के पूरे C ऑक्यूपाई नहीं कर रहा है भाई, 2 by थर्ड ही ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है. सो वेरी मच सिंपल, जो 6 है उसको 2 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो भाई. ओके, सो 3 2 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, आंसर आएगा C का. ओके, सो A का जो नंबर है वो 6 रहेगा और C का जो नंबर है वो 4 रहेगा. ठीक है, उसको डिवाइड कर लो. ठीक है, सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. ठीक है, C का 4 का आधा करो तो इट वुड बी 2 एंड A 6 है तो उसका आधा करो तो आपके पास A3. मतलब कि C2A3 इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ऑफ इट. ओके, जो आंसर रहने वाला है. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A solid is formed and it has 3 types of atoms: capital X, capital Y and capital Z. Capital X forms a FCC lattice face center cubic with Y atoms and Y atoms occupying all the tetrahedral voids. जितने भी tetrahedral void है वो सभी को Y atom जो है वो occupy कर रहा है. And Z atoms occupying the half of the octahedral void. Octahedral के half जो है वो Z atom occupy कर रहा है. So the formula of the solid compound is, once again a solid is formed. It has 3 types of atom: capital X, capital Y and capital Z. X forms FCC lattice, that much they have given. Y atoms occupying all the tetrahedral void and Z जो octahedral का half cover कर रहा है. तो formula of a compound we have to find it out. So for the same, the option A, X2Y4 Z1, X2Y4 Z1 is the correct answer for it. See here the Y, they have said here X forms FCC lattice, Y atoms occupying the tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void would be 8. Okay, now number of X atoms. Okay, Z atom जो है देखो फिर से X forms an FCC lattice with Y atoms occupying the tetrahedral voids. So here the value of X is equal to 4 inside the bracket 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8 for the corners, then for faces 6 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 8 8 cut. So 1 plus 3, that is 4, and outside also 4 is there. This is for the calculation of capital X. Whereas for capital Z, what they have said in the question, Z atoms occupying the half of the tetrahedral void. Okay, so Z is equal to 1 plus 12. Okay, multiplied by 1 upon 4 completely divided by 2. So 4 by 2 it would be if you simplify this. So for z, you'll be having the z2. So the value of x, it would be 4. Then value of y, it is 8. And value of z is equal to 2. So x4, y8, z2 should be the option. But that option is not available. So divide it by 2. x, y, z को 2 से divide कर लो. So you'll be having x2, y4 and z1, which is the option A and the correct answer. Okay. After that, question number 4, the density of CaF2, that is fluoride structure, they have given 3.18 gram per centimeter cube. Length of the side of the unit cell is CaF2 they have given, density they have given. When I used to explain the concept of density, count the number of an atom, okay, from the density, that is mass upon volume. So from that formula, you can solve out this very easily. Even the formula of a compound is very much important topic for JEE NEET session, whereas the density based sums are also very much important. There are 4 options what they have given, that is 253 picometer, 344 picometer, then 546 picometer and 273 picometer. So let us solve this. Density is equal to capital Z multiplied by m upon Na into a cube. So there the density they have given, that is 3.18. Then for Z, CF2, the fluoride structure is there. So from there the capital Z value is the 4. CF2, from there the molecular mass you can calculate it, that is 78. Value of Na we are aware, and value of A cube that we have to calculate it, means value of A we have to calculate it. So A को subject बना दो भाई. Okay, so A cube it would be 16.3 into 10 raised to minus 23. सामने जाने दो तो क्यूब रूट निकालना पड़ेगा. So 16 point C पावर को मैचअप कर दो, 23 है. Okay, so there A is equal to 5.46 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter we have converted. Then 546 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so here we need to convert them into the picometer, because all the options they have given in picometer. Okay, so 10 raised to minus 12 if you do it, okay, into the meter, from centimeter to meter and then meter to picometer. So the answer is 546 picometer. So once again, the very easy formula of density, in that you need to make a subject to the edge length. Okay. After that, the next question number 5. The coordination number of cation and anion in fluoride, that is CF2, and CSCl, that is cesium chloride, are respectively. They have given the coordination number, and which one is the correct one, that we need to calculate it. Okay, so it's 8s to 4 and 6 gem 3 and 4 gem 4, 8 gem 4 and 8 gem 8, 4 gem 2 and 2 gem 4. Okay, the 4 options they have given. Now here the coordination number of cation and anion in fluoride and CSCl is 8 gem. In case of CaF2 it is 8 gem 4 and CSCl, that is 8 gem 8. How that CaF2 for cation, it is 8 number of an anion. Okay, so the anion would be, cation would be 8, so anion uska आधा हो जाएगा, that is 4. So 8 gem 4 would be for CaF2, calcium fluoride. Okay, whereas CaCl, cesium chloride, the number of cation and number of anion both are equal, so it would be 8 8 from the cesium chloride. Okay, so 8 s to 4 and 8 s to 8 is the correct option for the question number 5. Okay, after that, the question number 6, the very easy question based on the theoretical portion. The interstitial hole is called tetrahedral because why it is called as a tetrahedral? Okay, see here, it is formed by four spheres, then partly same and partly different. It is formed by four spheres and the centers of which form a regular tetrahedron, none of the above. So here by the formation of tetrahedral void, you can say there are four atoms. They used to form the tetrahedron. Okay. So it is formed by the four spheres and the center of which form a regular tetrahedron. That's why it is called as an interstitial hole. Okay. After that, question number 7, टेट्राहेड्रल और ऑक्टाहेड्रल void में से भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. The tetrahedral voids formed by CCP arrangement of Cl ion, chloride ion in rock salt structure are occupied by Na plus atom ions, sodium ion से, occupied by chloride ions, occupied by either sodium or chloride ions, or it is a vacant. So here the very easy based on the theoretical portion, they have asked the question. In a rock salt structure, sodium plus, that is sodium ion, occupy the octahedral void and tetrahedral voids are vacant. Okay, so Na plus occupy the octahedral voids. Okay, and and tetrahedral voids are vacant. So here the question they have asked, the tetrahedral voids. Okay, that is the vacant. Okay, option D is the correct answer for that. Then next question, the number of nearest neighbors around each particle in face-centered cubic lattice is the number of nearest neighbors around each particle in face-centered cubic lattice is 4, 6, 8, 12. 4, 6, 8 or 12. Yes, the number of nearest neighbor around each particle in FCC, it is 12. 4 corner atoms are there. Suppose if you are sitting in a room, then you can calculate this very easily. 8 other face center, so is equal to 12 for face atom and 12 all for face with respect to the corner. So you can say that the number of nearest neighbor around each particle in FCC lattice is the 12. Okay. Question number 9. The intermetallic compound lithium and Ag, the combination of lithium and silver they have given, crystallize in a cubic lattice in which both lithium and silver have the coordination number of 8. दोनों का coordination number they have given, that is 8. The crystal class is blank. Whether it is simple cubic, whether it is BCC, whether it is FCC or none. यहाँ पे हमें coordination entity they have given, that is 8. Okay, so बोल सकते हो BCC, that is body central cubic crystal, that is BCC is the correct answer for it. Okay, then Next question, a compound XY crystallized in a BCC lattice with unit cell, age length of 480 picometer. A radius of Y is 225 picometer they have given. Then the radius of X plus is Y atom जो है, ठीक है, Y ion का radius they have given, that is the 225 picometer. So there are four options what they have mentioned: 127.5 picometer, 190.68 picometer, then 225 picometer, then 255 picometer. So let us go for it. Yes, 190.68 picometer. How does it? We have the R plus or R minus, that is anion and cation. The formula for BCC structure is A inside the bracket root 3 divided by 2. So they have given the value of A, that is 480 picometer. The root 3 will remain same divided by 2. Okay. So if you give R plus 225 picometer and 240 root 3, so R plus is equal to 240 into 1.732 minus 225 कर लो. Okay, so if you simplify this 240 multiplied by 1.732 आंसर लेके आओ, माइनस आप 225 कर लो. ठीक है, so you'll be getting the answer, that is 190.68 picometer. Okay, so the option B, 190.68 picometer is the correct answer for it. Okay, the next question, the mass of unit cell of cesium chloride correspond to 1 CH plus cesium ion and chloride ion, 1 cesium ion and 6 chloride ion, then 4 cesium ion and 4 chloride ion, 8 cesium ion and 1 chloride ion. Okay, there are four options they have mentioned. Okay, let us go for it. So the option is both is in 1 1. Okay, the mass of unit cell CSCl correspond to the cesium ion is also 1 and chloride ion is also in 1 number. So cesium plus occupy the body center and chloride occupy the simple cubic lattice. So CS is also plus CS plus 1, sorry, cesium plus 1 is 1, whereas for chloride it is 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8, 8 cut, it would be 1. So cesium and chloride both is 1 1. Okay, then next question, that is question number 12. In the closest packing of atoms A, radius is Ra, the radius of B that can be fit into the tetrahedral void is how much? 0.155 Ra, 0.225 Ra, 0.414 Ra, or 0.732 Ra. So for this, the option is B, that is 0.225 Ra is the answer. See here the closest packing. So there the formula is R plus Ra plus Rb is equal to A into root 3 divided by 4. Root 3 into A divided by 4. So 4Ra is equal to A into root 2. So Ra plus Rb upon Ra is equal to root 3 divided by 2 inside the root 3. Okay. So here Rb is 3 by 2 if you do, then it is 1.5 minus A, 1 Ra. So that is 0.225 Ra. Very good question it is. Radius of R atom Okay, the Ra, the meaning of Ra is the radius of A atom. Okay, if B they have asked for, that is Rb, then for the radius of B atom which is, okay. So the correct option is 0.225 Ra for Rb. Okay. So once again, in the closest packing of atom A, the radius Ra they have given. The radius of atom B that we can be fit into the tetrahedral void is how much, that we have to calculate it. Okay. Then question number 13, quite easy question. Okay. Which one of the following scheme of ordering closest packed sheet equal to size spheres do not generate the closed packed lattice? Whether it is ABC, do not generate, they are asking. Okay, they are not asking for generating. Do not, in between do not रखा गया है. So ABC or ABAC or ABBA or ABCBC. So here the structure of ABBA same layers are above one another, एक दूसरे के ऊपर एक ही टाइप के लेयर that cannot be generated in the cubic lattice, in the close packed lattice. So ABBA, the correct option C is the correct answer of it. Okay. After that, question number 14, an ionic compound AB has ZNS type structure, zinc sulfide जैसा है उनका structure जो है वो. If the radius of A plus is 22.5 picometer, then ideal radius of B would be, B का radius क्या रहने वाला है? So there are four options they have given: 54.35 picometer, 100 picometer, 145.16 picometer, or none of this. So let us calculate this. So R Zn plus 2 0.225 Rs, just now we have calculated before this sum, before this question for 2 to 5 it was from the question number 12 itself only. Same formula directly we have taken. So Rs minus 2 is equal to Rzn plus 2 upon 2 to 5. We have make a subject to the S minus 2 atom. So Rzn plus 2 they have given, that is if the radius of A plus, that is 22.5 picometer they have given. Okay, upon 225, 0.225, sorry. So if you divide this very easily, you will get that is 100 picometer. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है ये. ठीक है. Then next question, NH4Cl ammonium chloride crystallized in a body center cubic type lattice with a unit cell edge length is 387 picometer they have mentioned. The distance between the oppositely charged ion in the lattice is, दोनों अपोजिट चार्ज के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना रहने वाला है? 335.1 picometer, 83.87 picometer, 274.46 picometer, or 137.23 picometer. So let us calculate this. The option A, 335.1 picometer is the correct answer of it. R plus R minus is equal to, when body centered structure they have given, root 3 into A divided by 2 is the formula. So 387 picometer they have given, root 3 divided by 2. So 335.15 picometer is the simple and direct answer. ये फॉर्मूला कैसे बना वो भी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है, दैट इज R प्लस R माइनस इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 इंटू A, उसको 2 से डिवाइड किया हुआ है. ओके. आफ्टर दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, which of the following is the incorrect about NaCl structure? इनकरेक्ट वाला हमें ढूंढना है, करेक्ट नहीं. Nearest neighbor of Na plus ion is a 6 chloride ion. Then Na plus ion make FCC lattice. Chloride ion pack in the cubic closed pack arrangement, or there are 8 next nearest neighbor of Na plus. See here, there are 12 next near neighbor of Na plus, each for each center octahedral void. Okay. So here the option A, nearest neighbor of Na plus ion is 6 chloride ion. That is the incorrect one. Okay. Incorrect हमें choose करना है, बाकी सब correct है भाई, B, C and D. Okay. The A is the incorrect one. Then question number 16 के बाद 17. Which one of the following will show the Schottky defect? बहुत बढ़िया और easy question है. CF2, ZNS, AgCl और CSCl. Okay. Schottky defect are more common in the ionic compound with a high coordination number and where the positive and negative ions are having similar. Okay. तो ऐसा जो ऑप्शन है वो चूज करना है. Okay. CF2, ZNS, AgCl and CSCl. Okay. So next question 18. Give the correct order of initials, that is true and or false, or the following statement. In an antifluoride structure, anions form FCC, lattice and cations occupy all the tetrahedral void. या फिर if the radius of the cations and anions are 0.2 angstrom and 0.95 angstrom, then coordinate number of cation is 4. फिर क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन दिया गया है, an atom or ion transferred from the lattice site to interstitial position in the Frankel defect. And the next and last option they have given, density of crystal always increased due to the substitutional impurity defect. Okay, so here option A is the true. Antifluoride structure anions form FCC lattice and cation occupy all tetrahedral voids. Then the second one, the radius for 0.2 angstrom for anion, cation and anions, and the coordination number of cation is 4 they have given, that is false one. It is incorrect. Then an atom or ion transferred from the lattice site to the interstitial position in the Frankel defect, it is correct. ये तो theoretical है पूरा का पूरा. And the last one, density of crystal always increased due to the substitutional impurity defect, it is false. Okay, so here the true, false, TF is the correct option for it. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, total 18 MCQs we have solved out. Okay, ये 18 के 18 आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. मैं इसका वीडियो बना के भी आपको भेज दूंगा ताकि आप ये जो MCQ की बुक मैंने बनाने का आपको बोला हुआ है उसमें आपको लिखना है. यू नीड टू सॉल्व इन दी बुक ऑफ MCQ. ओके, कैसे करना है, कैसे सॉल्व करना है, तो ये वीडियो में आपको भेज दूंगा ताकि आप उसमें लिख सको. ठीक है, सॉल्यूशन के साथ. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. अभी जो आफ्टरनून का सेशन आज होने वाला है, मैं स्कूल पे जाने वाला हूँ. ठीक है, सो आफ्टरनून का सेशन मैं नहीं ले पाऊंगा. ठीक है, आज वो 12th वालों बच्चों का कुछ रिजल्ट का प्रिपरेशन है ऑनलाइन. ठीक है, तो उसकी वजह से स्कूल पे जाना है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई द आफ्टरनून सेशन फॉर 12 to 12:45 आई विल नॉट एबल टू कंडक्ट. ओके, दूसरी बात, सिर्फ एक ही बच्चे का मुझे जो PDF अभी तक आया हुआ है चैप्टर नंबर 1 थियोरेटिकल. ठीक है, तो सभी बच्चे फटाफट से वो खत्म करो. मैंने आपको बोला था मंडे, बाय मंडे यू हैव टू फॉरवर्ड मी. ठीक है, आज मैं इवनिंग तक जितने बच्चों का आएगा उनका ग्रुप में नाम भेजूंगा. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.